Hey fish people, what's going on? I decided to make a quick little video here because I just discovered something new that I didn't know about the Keystone Clash website. So I'm going to be doing a whole video on the Clash coming up here in a couple weeks. But just real quick, Keystone Clash is an event put on by a couple local clubs down in Pennsylvania. So here is their website here. The Keystone Clash is going to be from September 23rd to 25th. And it is put on by these two clubs up here. So the Cichlid Club of York and the Lancaster County Aquarium Club. Now, the cool thing I just found out today by accident was if you click on the logos up here, it will actually open up the club's websites in a new window. So here's our first one. We got the Aquarium Club of Lancaster County. And then if I go back to the Clash page, click on this Cichlid here, it'll open up the Cichlid Club of York here. And look at that. They've got some fish swaps going on too. Actually, one is this weekend, so if you're in the area, why don't you head on out to that? But yeah, I decided to come over and real quick show you that little thing. It's a fun thing. I went last year, so I would definitely recommend if you're in the Pennsylvania area, you should definitely head out to this because it's a fun thing. A lot of people that do fish content on YouTube are going to be there too, so you get to hang out with them. Myself included, I'll be there. But again, doing a whole video coming up. Registration's open now. You can get your stuff there. And yeah, it's going to be super fun. I just want to come to you real quick and show you that. You can go to both clubs' websites by clicking on these up here.